Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Halloween pumpkin. It's kind of that time of year, so we might as well start one of these. So let's get started, okay? Gonna go over here in this area, and I'm gonna draw like a C shape on this side. Go over here on this side. Kind of a reverse C on that side. Let's see, I'm gonna draw this hump for the top of the pumpkin area. Go over to the bottom. Bump, bottom area. Gonna go to the actual top and I'm gonna draw a straight line up. Kind of looks like a root of some kind. Out over here. Downward. I'm kind of doing that to, kind of make it a little bit more natural looking. Line up, line down, line up, line down, line up, line down, line up, line down, line up, line down. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna go into the actual face now. And I like to do just kind of a basic like line, like angry line right here. Line up over here. Down, inward. Over here, up. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in those eyes. I wanna fill those in. Right there. Go over here, fill these in. Let's go over here to the nose. Up, down, curve, that pointed nose. Line over here. Now I'm going to go over here to the mouth area. So I'm going to go over here, slide it across. Down right here, have like a tooth shape. Continue to go up here. And now I'm going to go to I'm going to do another curve for the kind of bottom area. Like so. I'm going to actually fill that shape in as well. If you guys are getting ready for Halloween, let me know what you're doing. I'm curious. I have no clue what I'm doing for Halloween. I'm trying to think of something. As far as what I'm dressing up for Halloween, I have zero idea. If anybody knows, write it in the comments section. I literally don't know what I'm going to do for Halloween, but I'll see if I can do something. I'm not really sure. Then over here, curve, curve, curve. Line over here. I'm drawing the kind of striations of the pumpkin, right? The bumps on it. And what I'm doing is I'm indicating with those thin lines, right? That's kind of like a good thing. Go over here. You're indicating with the lines, meaning you're not drawing a thick, super thick line and all the way through, because it's going to actually take away from the rest of the drawing. So the next thing I want to do here is I'm actually going to thicken the line on the outside. The reason I want to do that is because I actually want to give the whole thing a little bit more of a stable, kind of stable look. And I'm going to go over here as well. Just like a line all the way around the outside only. Curve over here. Hump over here, hump over here, line over here, curve. Continue to curve on this side. All right. Now we're gonna draw a little bit of a background on him, right? So let's say he's sitting on the grass. Zigzag, straight line, zigzag over here. Let's say line down. And like a little hill over here, like a zigzag over here, and same thing on this side. Over here as well, another, like just like some grass all over the place. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw like a circle right here for the moon. Line for some bats. And I'm going to do some extra stuff for the back. So line down, line down, line down. It's going to be a fence. Line. Line there. Going to go over here. I'm going to throw a straight line across. And as far as like anything additional, you can add all kinds of stuff. You can add like over here like a hill. with a little house on it. That could totally be something, like a square right there. Draw like maybe like a cross. Maybe it's like a gravestone at the top of a hill. Line down, line down. That could totally be something. You could do the same thing over here on this side, like a hill on that side. And then maybe draw like a square over here. This is all about like creativity, right? You're throwing whatever you want in there as a flare with simple shapes right there. Let's draw another block on top of that. And then let's draw like the top of a house right there, like it's a spooky house on a hill. Well, I'm excited to have a lot of Halloween stuff on the channel, so I really hope you enjoy that. Alrighty. And that's pretty much it right there.